Hello, my name is Sabrina. I work with my husband Kilian in Inglés con Kilian. For the last 10 years, we have been teaching English in companies and to professionals here in Spain. And that's why we decided to set up this membership program that I want to talk about today. The reason we did this is because after 10 years watching people improve their English, the people who improved their English the most were the people who incorporated English into their life. Most people learn English in school, or they study English in class and they learn the grammar and the rules, but they have problems when they're trying to communicate, speaking, writing, understanding other people. So these are the problems that we want to address and that we want to help you fix. Our ideal client is professional, already has some knowledge of English, but wants to improve their fluency, wants to feel confident when they're speaking English, when they go to work in English, when they're in a meeting, or for their future career prospects. They don't want to feel uncomfortable anymore. They want to lose the embarrassment of not being able to speak well. So our membership addresses this with a range of courses to help you improve your English, to help you immerse yourself in English, to give you step-by-step instructions on how to do that, to give you business vocabulary and structures and advice on how to act and work, and also to create a community for you of like-minded people who are also trying to improve their English and become fluent in their English for their work and for their career opportunities. We also have resources on this for general English, because business English is important, but you also have those conversations of how are you well, traveling, eating out and things like that. So global English is very important. And lots more things, like we have coffee breaks, or we will have coffee breaks in the future, student interviews, workshops on specific areas, and lots of activities like that. We're always listening to our students and what they need and creating things like that. So let's have a quick look at the membership now so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. This is the page you land on when you arrive to the membership. And here are the list of courses that you can look at and the list of activities. We have interviews with students. We have a little course that tells you how to use this and how to do it. We have an ebook that tells you how to plan your improvement. We also have a course that does that if you want to do that more in detail. Every month we post general English and business English for you to study over the month. And we have a course on meetings. We have a listening challenge to improve your listening. We're also going to be adding other challenges. We have a little email challenge, how to use the phone in work. We're constantly adding new material, new resources, courses, ebooks, videos, and you also have the community of other students and where you can contact us whenever you need to. So you can come and join us at the moment for free for 1 month to try it, which is a great offer, and it's not going to last very long. And if you like, you can add classes. You can try the first class free as well, so you can see our method and see if you like it or not. They're based on you speaking and communicating in English. And that's it. So come and join us, try it, and I'm sure you're going to like it. And I look forward to seeing you there.